Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the nervous system notes. Let us start lesson number 4, nervous system hard words. Start reading hard words. First one is cerebrum. cerebrum, cerebrum. Second word cerebellum. cerebellum, cerebellum. Third one medulla. Fourth one spinal cord. Fifth one sensory nerves. Sixth one neurons, neurons, neurons. Seventh cornea. Sixth one melanin, melanin, melanin. Ninth retina, retina, retina. Tenth reflex action. Next, fill in the blank. Sensory nerves send signals from the muscles like eyes, nose to the brain. Sensory nerves send signals from the eyes, nose to the brain. Next, motor nerves send signals from brain to the muscles or organs. Nerve cells are called dash neurons, neurons, neurons. Reflex action is controlled by dash spinal cord. Medulla is also referred to as dash brain stem. Next, state true or false. Reflex actions are controlled by spinal cord. True. We should breathe through our mouth. No. False. Nose is covered with taste buds which end with narrow endings. False. Earns also. Here earns not spelling mistake. Ears. Sorry, ears. This is a print mistake. Ears also help in maintaining balance of our body. True. Mixed nerves carry information from the brain to our muscles or organs, give them instructions. False. Next, match the following. Controls memory and reasoning. Which one? Nana? Cerebrum. Starts from the medulla and goes down to the end of the spine. Spinal cord. Protects our internal organs. Which one will protect our internal organs? Skin. Eyes are covered by flap-like eyelids. Skin gets its color from a pigment called melanin. melanin, melanin. Now short answer questions. What are the functions of the tongue? Tongue helps in speaking and eating, isn't it? It is covered with 2000 to 10,000 taste buds which end with nerve endings. Second question. What is the function of motor nerves and sensory nerves? Answer. Motor nerves send signals from the brain to our muscles or organs and make them move. Next, sensory nerves send signals from organs to the brain. Name 5 sense organs. The sense organs in a human body are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Why we do not relish food when we suffer from cold? Yes, when we have cold, the nose is blocked. The food does not taste as good as it tastes normally. It, that is not OT, it, it, as it tastes normally. Okay, children. Next, how can how we can take care of our eyes? Wash your eyes with clean water. When you read, face towards the source of light. Do not sit too close to the television while watching it. Long answer questions. What will happen if the taste bud of the tongue is damaged? Taste buds, what they do, they receive the taste and send messages to the brain. Our brain in turn helps in detecting 4 tastes, namely salty, sweet, bitter, and sour. Taste buds of tongue are damaged if, here not is, I think so, if taste buds of tongue are damaged, we cannot receive the taste of food from brain. Next, what will happen if optic nerve is destroyed? Optic nerve carries messages to the brain. The brain understands and tells what you have seen. Damage to an optic nerve can cause vision loss. Next, what will happen if the hair inside the nose are cut and removed? Because of the hairs, air we breathe is filters, but if it will not there, air will not be filtrated and dust can go to the lungs and cause illness. What will happen if we have no eardrum? A ruptured eardrum can result in hearing loss. It can also make your middle ear vulnerable to infections. So here Regarding this lesson project work is you need to prepare the human brain model and label the parts of the brain like cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. That's all. As we have these parts in your lab, science lab, if it is school is there, I can show the parts also very easily. But now it is not possible. So you prepare the model of the brain and label the parts, whatever. Uh, if you have any idea, or else I will send sample pictures based on that you can prepare. Okay, this is the project work. Thank you.